Hi again! Now it's the exciting part where we're gonna be doing our winter daily makeup
using the same products from the previous video. So let's get into it.
Let's go! So let's start our makeup.
I'm gonna use the same.
Me too. I'll just put more.
These are must-have, so go check it out. Seriously, these are incredible.
Even in the product information, it was saying like you can use it everywhere, very compact. I actually like it. It's very compact.
Yeah, it just looks like very small, and you can carry it everywhere in your bag. So whenever you feel ashy, just
so skin prep was done already in the previous video, as we mentioned, and I already had my sunscreen on. And now I'll put the base using the foundation from the previous video, age 20s. I like the packaging still.
And I will prep my skin even more. Okay. Ooh, this helps lock my. Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna fix my eyebrows a bit. So eyebrows are on fleek. So let's move on to the skin, and of course I'm gonna use same foundation.
I like to blend it more. I feel like I actually feel how it's blending up with the multi balm from Kahi brand. Wow, it's very smooth.
They're kind of pricey, but I think it's so worth it.
It is worth it, even though the amount is quite small.
I think. I mean, since it's like the rollable stick, I think you can like use it for quite some time.
I just want to use it again to my lips. I just can't stop using them.
It's very convenient, right?
Just put some more on my neck as well, because I have wrinkles, but now I'm using the Kahi brand. I hope it will help.
I'm so getting that one for my neck. I heard that it actually works, which is I'm a bit skeptical about it, but
let's see. The thing is, you should be consistent if you actually want to see the results with the product. When they say it's anti-wrinkle or like, you know, it helps with the wrinkle reduction. Okay, I'm done with my foundation now. Moving to next step, which is gonna be concealer, of course.
Concealer. My skin has been terrible with me lately. I mean, I had breakouts everywhere I tried to use.
I have acne problems even now. It's just winter because it's cold. It's just you are lazy to even take care of your skin, right? That happens to me. Sometimes I even go to bed.
Oh my god!
Without putting my lotions on.
Yeah, me too.
I mean, I do the cleansing part with the just toner on. And
that's better. Oh my god. I think in the winter you get a bit lazy with the skincare, which is a very, very wrong thing to do, because winter, winter is like the season where you should actually take care of your skin the most.
Yes. Okay, now I'll contour my face with the stick contouring, because we've been saying it's the winter season and it's very dry, so I just go for creamy things. Like even I use foundations because it's more moisturized.
I always take a lot of time doing it.
I actually do too, because that's the important part. And now go blend them.
It's quarantine, girl, quarantine. I think a lot of people like put up some weight during quarantine as well.
I actually learned a hack from a beauty influencer.
What is it?
To put like this.
Oh.
Yeah.
I think it doesn't work on my face because my face is like...
You already have a slim shaped face.
I'm gonna put some glow.
Oh, it actually helps, I think.
So you said that you go for like more of a natural look for winter?
Yeah.
Like, so you just focus on like moisturizing your skin?
Yep. Now I'll go to the blush from age 20s. So this is also cream blush. I just like the packaging again. Very pinkish. I'm into pinkish stuff now.
Moving on. Okay, I'm gonna prep my eyes, of course, and I will go for a smoky makeup, because I think winter is like for like dark wear, dark kind of makeup. I mean, for me, so I'll always stick to that.
Oh my god, what is this, you guys?
Yeah, you look cute though.
Oh my god. Anyways, after wearing the mask, it all gets wiped off.
Oh, I hate that.
But then since it's creamy one, I think it will stick.
I mean, that's why
than
you,
the powdery one.
You should use, what is it, fixer? But I think like still it doesn't really work well because of the mask. It literally, you know, wipes it off.
Okay, now I will go for the cleanup of the blush. Cleaning up the mess I made.
Okay, now that I prepped my eyes using my finger, of course, I'm gonna use my eyeshadow.
New one?
Yeah, I got
can tell.
this one, but it's not a, unfortunately, it's not a Korean brand because I'm really into pigment. So I went for EMCOK K-Beauty, and the colors are just stunning.
And I'm using eyeshadows for a wig make. I'll go for just the base to cover the concealer. The pink one, what is this? Milky, it says, I think. In winter season, I just like to have a crease from the eyeshadow, not too much on like the colors. Instead, I like to use just eyeliner with a clean base.
That's a look. It's called glamour.
Yeah. Okay, now I'm using the eyeliner for wig make. It's the pencil liner. I love how my skin is glowy.
Right?
I just love it. Okay, the most important part is done, which is the eyeliners, just focusing on them. And now the mascara.
Still working on my eyes, as always.
So much difference with the mascara on, can you tell?
Yeah. You have really pretty.
And I'm just using mascara spoolie to like brush my eyebrows so it could give a density, just to shape them. I'm almost done. How about you?
Kinda. I will use some eyeliner as well today, and I will go for like a foxy eyes.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
And
not too much.
I will just use this lipstick Lip Balm Rainbow Honey from Beauty. I just look at this packaging. I can't wait
So
to use
pretty.
them.
And I got this eyeliner from Pera. I think you know this brand, it's Korean as well. And it's very cheap and the pigmentation is awesome.
Oh my god.
It's like 6,000, I think I got.
Oh, that's the prettiest.
Lip balm. That's literally the prettiest lip balm I've ever seen.
Oh, and the thing is, how to open it, you just pull this. I am just so satisfied with the result. It's my first time trying them. I'm already in love with it. I don't need to use lipstick, just enough. Okay, I don't usually go for the highlighters, but since I focus on my eyes and it's the visible part, I'm gonna go for the highlight. Eye highlighting.
The inner corner of your eyes?
So I'm done. What are you going to do? Oh, you're using false lashes again.
Yeah. Now my makeup is
Wow.
almost done.
Using those kind of lash daily? I mean, come on, girl.
I mean,
it's the glam makeup.
I think it complements well my makeup. So this is our final makeup look. What do you guys think?
How do you guys like it? Both men and women, they experience trouble skin during dry winter seasons, right? So if you're one of them, please go check out the part 1 where we actually talked and reviewed the favorite cosmetics from Korean brands that will help to like season up and moisturize, nourish your skin during winter season.
So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment below.
Lots of comments. Okay. Until the next video, see you guys again.
Bye.